The foreign women walk. Hi,
Hi,
I'm
I'm
Ramy.
Terry. And if you're like me, you
Welcome
want to
to
keep
the
fit,
Science
but it's
Quizzes.
tough to find the
We
time.
here together
And let's be
says
honest,
why
it's
and
usually not
says
very
when
fun.
we walk.
But it can be with
From
fun and
this
exciting
early.
exercises and activities the whole family can enjoy without the monthly fitness club dues or whole family
Please
can
together
enjoy
be careful
without the
and
monthly
these
fitness club
amazing
dues
lessons
or waiting in line
and
for
every
sweaty
that
gym
and
equipment
more.
or even having to leave home. It all starts with this.
And this
The
the
Wii balance
question
board.
lessons with SS warning.
Using
And
this innovative new
together
accessory,
our hand.
your balance and movement will
And
directly
the
affect what's
careful
happening on
and
screen.
the first.
Lean left.
Using
Using this
together
innovative new
everything
accessory, your
and
balance and
the
movement will directly affect what's happening on screen.
online.
Lean left, right,
walk
forwards or
and
back.
lessons.
The Wii balance board responds
With
immediately to your actions.
and more
So now that you have an
and
idea
guess.
how Wii Fit works, let me show
As
you how to get
Bella works
started.
let me
First, you'll create your own
and the
profile by
question
determining your
central
BMI
ones
and Wii Fit age. Select your
for
me,
the says
a cute little
business.
character that looks like you.
In the first
Enter your
question
personal
for
stats,
the this
step on the
everyone's.
board, and Wii Fit will do the rest.
And
Your
this is
BMI, or
by
body mass index, is a measure of body fat based
and
on
better
height and weight.
together so mate.
Sounds scary, right? Don't
Some
worry, all
users
this takes place in the
don't
privacy
worry
of your own
and
home.
that
And if
takes
you're unhappy with your
place
first
that
BMI and
happens,
Wii Fit
and
age
this is
result,
amazing
you can
that
always
turn.
retest later to see if the results are a bit better.
And the
Plus,
process
you'll be able to
is
set
the
BMI goals for
science
yourself
warning.
and track them
In
daily
this
if you like.
first.
After getting your initial fitness
After
evaluation,
together
you're ready to get
service,
fit.
don't
If you're
let
worried
the
about not knowing
sense
how to do any of the
his
exercises,
methods.
relax. You'll have a
And
guide
relax
through the world of Wii
and
Fit.
posting the questions.
That's right. You'll get
That's
your
right.
own
And
personal
together
trainer,
personal
and not the
cares.
director. Getting your
And
initial fitness
together
evaluation,
sounds
you're ready to get
with a
fit.
crash
If you're
for
worried about not
together.
knowing how to do any of the
And the
exercises,
first questions.
relax. You'll
And
have a guide through the
outdoors
world of Wii Fit.
and again.
That's right.
That's
You'll get
right.
your own
And together
personal
so
trainer,
warning
and not the drill
and
instructor kind
so
either.
squash.
The trainer you choose will show you how to do each
For the
exercise,
sixth form
and then make sure you're
and
doing
make
each exercise
sure
correctly.
realize.
Wii Fit has
together
4 main
sources.
exercise categories to choose
Exercise
from:
and
strength
more.
training,
And
aerobics,
together
yoga,
classes
and balance
and
games.
no
Start by
uses.
toning up. Each exercise is designed to target those tough areas to tone. Start by toning up those
Stars
muscles
and
with
the
strength
AC
training.
together.
Exercises like torso
and
and waist
together
twists
muscles.
help to narrow and define the waistline,
And
while
also
exercises like
together,
push-ups and the side
is
plank work the chest, shoulders, and arms.
and shoulders.
Each exercise is designed to target those
And
tough
together
areas to
some
tone.
lessons.
After tightening
And
and
the
toning,
soul
get your
makers
heart
and the
pumping with
first
some fun
musculars
aerobics
and
exercises. Wii Fit offers quick activities that have
And
nothing
the
to do with
clicks and
leotards or leg
together
warmers.
and your workers.
Exercises such as basic step put a Wii-inspired spin on step aerobics. Step to the too rainy to run outside? Then pick up the Wii remote and go for a jog in the park with free run your way to
Fill up
fitness.
first class, business
Too
class.
rainy to run outside? Then pick up the
And
Wii remote and go
economist
for a
class.
jog in the park with free run.
Together some
Or
lessons.
work the heavy
Or
bag and rhythm boxing.
in the first
Believe me,
classes,
this
in
is
the
a great
challenge
workout any
class
time of
race.
day. All right, you've worked up a good sweat.
And
Now
now
steady your
steady
breathing and
your
relax
relax
because
and
it's time for
dance
yoga.
dance.
This ancient
is
form of
amazing
exercise will help
exercise
you to gain
online.
some of the strength and flexibility
And the first
some of us may have
question
lost
song
due to
made.
time. And cheeseburgers.
For the question
Even if you've never
classes,
done yoga
and
before,
together
your
sprint
trainer will take it
airlines.
slow and show you exactly how to do
And the
each pose.
cells together for
The
the
poses you
elevator.
perform are based on your experience level.
Lessons,
The more you do, the more you unlock.
and years.
Before you know it, you'll fitness goals.
The first
Retest your
questions
BMI or
and the
Wii Fit
car
age
insurance.
and view your
For
progress
the
with
says
easy to
when it
understand
works
charts and graphs.
Airlines.
Up to 8 family
And
members
more
can create
together
profiles,
for
so
anyone
you can
and
see who the
support
fitness
line.
fanatic is in your house. Convenient.
Thanks for watching Says
Become
Airline.
healthy and fit
Becoming
your
your
way
way
with
with
Wii Fit.
chickens.
Only from
Only
Nintendo.
when you